This is Justin Germino from DragonBlogger.com here, and I'm talking about the Rapoo 8200p wireless keyboard and mouse combo. This is the white set, matches my white desk and my white phone just fine. What this is a wireless keyboard mouse set, comes with a tiny little USB wireless receiver. Plug it into your USB port on any hub or PC, and you get your mouse and keyboard off of that one wireless receiver. The mouse itself is a very light mouse. It has a light feel. It's good for travel. It tracks well on desk or mouse pad. Obviously, it tracks better on mouse pad, but it tracks well on a white desk too. It has a DPI button that switches between 500 and 1000 DPI. It's got scroll wheel, which has clicks to it when you scroll. It also has thumb buttons, but at this moment the thumb buttons don't do anything. They don't even go back or forward on websites. They don't scroll up or down. So I contacted Rapoo about the thumb buttons and what they're supposed to do. They don't seem to be configurable by the Windows mouse program, and there's no separate mouse software for the Rapoo mouse, so I'm not sure about the thumb buttons at this time. It takes one AA battery, as does the keyboard also take one AA battery. It's supposed to last 18 months off a single battery. I haven't obviously been able to test it that long, as I've only had it for a short period of time, but that's a long time to claim off of a single battery. The mouse has an on-off switch at the bottom of it. Now for the keyboard. What I like about the keyboard is it's tight, it's neat, it's got kind of like angular design, which is kind of neat looking, I think. I really like the separate dedicated multimedia keys at the top. So many keyboards have a function button and you're using your F keys as your functions back and forth, and I prefer having dedicated keys. The volume keys are invaluable to me. Instantly being able to mute and unmute, open up a calculator, believe it or not I do pretty often, is easy. So having the multimedia keys is also very helpful. Once you get used to the key placement, it's a pretty standard sized keyboard there. It gives you everything you need on a keyboard. Now, when I was doing a typing test, I was doing pretty well just learning the keyboard. The one thing I noticed is, to get used to this keyboard, is that the space bar for me, right here, was a little bit off from my thumb. I had to kind of raise my thumb a little bit to properly hit the space bar. And so for me, it was interrupting. But I'm going to do a 10-key type test. I'm going to do that real time here while you watch. And then after the test, I'm going to go ahead and show you the numbers and the results. Now again, this is only my second time I'm using this keyboard, and so we'll see how fast I can do in this typing test. All right, showing you the results here of the typing test. You can see here, words per minute 100 with 1 word error, 5 corrections, so adjusted 95 words per minute corrected. Not too bad for my second time using the keyboard, honestly. I've had worse results from keyboards, and you get used to it the more you start using the keyboard. So overall, I thought it was pretty good score, and I was pretty impressed with the keyboard. Once again, this is the Rapoo 8200p wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Definitely a decent combo if you need a wireless keyboard mouse set. Thank you for watching.